it's Cece here and welcome back to my channel. And here I am talking in our new apartment. So I was originally going to wait until we got all of our things shipped from the United States and set up here before I did an apartment tour, but it looks like that shipment is delayed, so I was like, why not just show around? So we are not living in Seoul, and that's why, I mean, you can kind of hear a little bit of an echo still, but that's just because we don't have anything. What else? This place is bigger than most places would be. So we're calling it an apartment, but technically we live in a villa. Most places in Seoul would not be this big unless they're for like a larger family. One thing I have to say is that Koreans, they know how to do their apartments. They've got it right. The technology, the layout, the modernness, it's just phenomenal. Like, we are in love with this place. It's gonna look so beautiful once we get more stuff into the house, or I guess I should say villa, apartment, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, it's only been a couple of weeks and it is fantastic. Let's get on with it. Okay, so first when you walk into this place, of course, you have to take off your shoes in the entryway. It keeps the place cleaner on the inside, but then there's like a little window, a little nook, or whatever you want to call it, that leads into what's going to be our office. There you go, now it's focused. And it is motion detected in the entryway. And what's not very common in other Korean homes is that there is so much storage, and you'll see in this whole entire place, but I'm not gonna open up all the different closets, but look at that. So this is our lovely modern looking kitchen and our big fridge, which what's even cooler about it is that there's this little button here. I know that they have places like this in America, but still, and then you open it up and it's your quick access part of the fridge. Love it. And then because you can't drink the water here, we have a little water purifier, and it spits out either cold water, or you can change it to hot water. It's gotta boil in order to do that. We've got our own little washer, or our own little dishwasher. And then, oh my God. So it seems that a lot of Korean homes and apartments and villas, they run on gas instead of electric like they would in America. And so we have our little knob here that we have to turn on in order to turn on the gas, and then they tell us to turn it off during the day so that we save on electricity. Or on our, sorry, not electricity, so that we save on our gas bill. And then as you can see, if I just want to turn on one of these bad boys, let's get this going. Woo! And one thing that I've discovered since living here is that I actually like gas. Stop. You're gonna dance over there. I actually prefer gas stoves over electric. They just heat up so much quicker, and I just feel like the quality of the food's a little bit better. But that's probably just me speaking nonsense. We've got our model here, starting the laundry. So, you know what? Oh wait, whoa. You know what I noticed today? What I discovered? Oh, you knew. Okay, well, he knew, but yeah, it's really cool. You push this and it's like a little chute for your stuff to go through.
So never buy a Samsung, you don't dry your clothes.
Well, and he doesn't like front load washers in general. Oh wait, we missed this one. Our washer and dryer sings to us. Actually, it's just the dryer, right? Is this dryer?
Just a dryer.
So our dryer actually sings to us. I hope that I can catch the jingle at the end, but it's like, it's pretty extensive. Okay, so right now we barely have anything at all, but we do have the bigger furniture, like a dining table, the couch, the coffee table, an entertainment center, but that's all courtesy of the owner. And some places that you get, the owner will provide that for you. We can live off of this and the basic things that we bought before. Our stuff comes in like a month. Hopefully it comes sooner than that. So this is our living room. The furniture that we have besides the TV, we bought that on our own. That's courtesy of the owner. Really nice. Actually, he was gonna give us a TV as well, but we decided, hey, why not? Let's just buy a TV. But one thing about this villa and other apartments, I assume, I don't know, but they have AC. Is this central AC, would you consider it? No, so it's not central AC, it's AC controlled room by room. And so we have a little remote that controls the AC, and we just go like this. That way we turn the AC on and we turn it off, and we just turn it off during the day to save on the electric bill. This little contraption is pretty neat. I don't know if the power's on. So this is a camera that leads out to the front, so when somebody's there, they can actually press the button that's out there and press to call, and we can either just talk to them through here. This is actually the security feature right now that I've pressed, so I can just see who's outside. But yeah, if somebody rings on the bell, then I can either call, I can talk to them, and I can either just watch them or I can open the door for them from here. Oh, I almost forgot to show you. So many of you might know, you might not know, but Korea has a very extensive recycling system. So they have specific bags that you have to buy for your food waste, for your things that you can't recycle, for your plastic bags, for everything. So we are putting our stuff in here, in this nice little closet. And so we have our food waste bag, or food waste trash can, and our not recyclable things. And then we have just this one for like plastic stuff, and I'll just show you what the bags look like. So never again use these bags. These are a no. The bags vary based on the city that you are in, and they have different meanings. So this one is for general waste. So this one can be for things that you can't recycle, and then also things such as plastics and cardboard and that kind of stuff, and maybe like aluminum or whatever. And then this one is for food waste. Okay, so to continue the tour, I'm gonna take you outside to our balcony area with you. We are. I got these little seating pods from IKEA. It's very firm, but I love it. And then just more plants and more space. And this one actually leads to our, I guess, third room, like our second guest bedroom. We haven't quite figured out what to do with it. I think we're going to make it a seating area once we get our furniture, because we do have like a couch and table and stuff like that coming. I love it. And so this is that third room that goes to the patio, 3 out of 4. So across the way is the office, and this we're gonna make a seating room. We're gonna put a couch in here, and there's just more closet space. This is that office that I pointed out earlier with the nook. It's so dark. Maybe it'll focus, yes. And that's the nook that leads out to the front, or the little window that leads out to the front part of the house. Next we have an outside bathroom. This is pretty much gonna be M's bathroom. And one thing that's just so unique about Korean homes is that they have like a continued floor. So even though there's a drain right there, normally the water, when it comes out, it can potentially drain out. But it just makes it easier for cleaning, I guess. You don't have like a little ledge that's blocking things, I don't know. I guess there's a benefit to that. And this one will be our guest bedroom. Here is the guest bathroom. And again, like it connects, there's no divider in between the shower and the outside. Dun, 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 dun. Here's our bedroom, and I have one closet open. The sheets on the blanket are ours, but the bed is courtesy of the owner. It's a very dirty mirror, I need to clean it, but there's a city out over there. So this, I guess, is just my undergarments drawer and accessories drawer. This is the master bathroom. So it's kind of interesting because there's 2 shower heads. I usually just use the one with the tub so that water just doesn't spill out. But if it did, I'd be using the rain shower one. There's that, and then I really like this. Like, I like how the toilet is separate from the showering part of the master bathroom, because that way if, like, say I need to go to the bathroom or something while I'm showering, you can just use this one. Okay, this is like the coolest thing ever, but this is a awesome toilet. It has heat sensors, which I haven't quite figured out all of the buttons yet. I need to brush up on my Korean. But there's also like bidet, like auto mode, stopping. It's just really cool. So that is it. That is the current apartment tour of our empty villa place. But when our things actually come in and we're set up, I will do a more extensive apartment. If there's one takeaway from this, is that Korean apartments are awesome, very modern, and they just know how to do their apartments. So hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.